I think that's the main reason I gave up Lacey. Shit.
Is that him?
Lauren, it's me. Open up. Let's talk.
Yeah, I'm coming. Rita, this is Nelson.
Hi. I remember you.
You know why I'm here. What is she doing here? You're not going to run away this time.
Rita is my friend, and this is my house. Okay, so you respect her.
Listen, Rita, nothing personal here, but I really need to talk this over in private. Do you mind?
She knows everything, Nelson, so say what you gotta say.
Damn it! There is no getting through to you! So what are you going to do about our daughter?
I told you, my hands are tied. I can't do nothing. You agreed you can't change the rules.
All rules have to change based on the circumstances. And the circumstances are desperate. There's a little girl's life at stake here.
What? Don't you dare put that shit on me. You have to take responsibility for the lie that you told, not me.
Lauren, I think it's best if I leave or
No,
at
just
least
wait.
wait outside.
Thank you, Rita.